Hi, I am Vishal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we have got another speed paint from the book Watercolor in Nature by Rosalie Haizlett. So for today's video, we have got the red fox. Let me show you the painting. So this is the red fox that I'll be showing you the speed paint of, and now let me show you the painting that I did. This is the red fox that I created and it took me around 45 minutes to complete it. So I have come to know that all her paintings take a lot of layering and tiny and minute details that brings life to the painting. I enjoyed this one and I am satisfied with the result that I was able to create. I have made a bigger variation of this one. I'll be uploading its speed paint too sooner. So this is the bigger version of the red fox, and for this one I added grass for the base and it's a little bit slanted, but yeah, this is the another one. Now enjoy the speed paint and the music. Thank you for watching the whole video. To let me know that you have finished it, just comment red. So I have finished the whole book. Let me show you all the sketches from the book. So, we have daisy, imperial moth, agaric mushroom, fern, praying mantis, moose antler, green frog, snail. Then we have an owl, monarch caterpillar with milkweed, leaf sprig, pipe-vine swallowtail butterfly, sassafras leaf, a salamander, Canada warbler, a rabbit, blueberry, pine cone, wood duck, the red fox from today's speed paint, another snail, a bigger imperial moth, another variation of the daisy, and lastly an experimentation with leaf sprig. So these are all the painting from the book. I'll be uploading the rest of the painting soon. If you have any feedback, suggestions or any idea, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here's the bigger variation of the red fox. I'll link the book review up here and down in the description. That's all. Peace.